In today's video, I am going to explain about the interplanar spacing. Okay, so we have to find the interplanar spacing of crystal structure. Okay, so you understand. So these spacing is that is called as these spacing of interplanar spacing. These spacing. Okay. So now let us consider a unit cell. So this is the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. Okay, x, y, and z. Okay. So this so let us consider diagram. So this is the origin. So this is the x-axis. The intercept is a. In y-axis, the intercept is b. In the z-axis, the intercept is c. Okay. The distance from OA is a. So here it is the cubic cell. So all sides are equal. Okay. So OA, OB, OC is equal to a. Okay. So this is the cubic structure. In cubic structure, all the sides are equal. So all the intercept OA, OB, OC is equal to a. Right? Okay. So now let us draw a normal line to this triangle. Okay. So now here let us consider here plane A, B, C. Okay. So inside the cube, I have to consider a plane A, B, C. Okay. So now let us draw a normal line from origin to this plane ABC. So this is ON. So origin from the distance from origin to the plane is ON is equal to D. So D is nothing but D spacing. Okay. Distance between the origin to the plane is D. Okay. ON is equal to D. Okay. So here. Okay. So now we have to consider a cubic structure. So in cubic structure it has 3 intercepts. So all the intercepts has value A. Okay. So OA, OB, OC is equal to A. So now let us consider a triangle. So plane A, B, C. So inside the cube. Okay. So now let us draw a normal line to this plane ABC, that is ON. Okay. So ON is equal to D. Okay. So now the angle between ON and OX is alpha. Okay. The angle makes between ON and OY is beta. Okay. The angle makes between ON and OZ is gamma. Okay. So this is the structure. So this is ON. So this is OA, OB, OC. Okay. So angle makes between ON and OB is, so OA and ON is alpha. Angle makes between OB and OC is beta. The angle between ON and OC is gamma. Okay. So these are the 3 different angles, right? Okay. These are all perpendicular to each other, right? Okay. So intercept OA, OC, so OB, OC is so directly proportional to. So the intercepts are inversely proportional to the Miller disk, right? So 1 by H, 1 by K, 1 by L. So if these all the intercept has the side value, what are in lattice constant value A. So let's modify this equation. OA, OB, OC is equal to A by H, A by K, A by L. So OA is equal to A by H, OB is equal to A by K, OC is equal to A by L. Okay. So these are all the intercept value. Okay. So now let us consider a triangle OAN. Okay. So now let us consider a triangle OAN. So apply cos 30 degree here. So cos alpha here. So cos alpha is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. So here the adjacent side is ON, hypotenuse is OA. So cos alpha is equal to ON by OA. So what's the value of ON here? So here the ON value is D, OA value is A by H. So substitute here. So D divided by A by H, that is equal to DH by A. So this is cos alpha. Okay. So next let us consider a triangle. So O, B, N. Okay. So here cos alpha. So here cos beta is equal to. So here the angle alpha. So let us consider triangle OBN. beta. So cos beta is equal to ON by OB. So ON divided by OB. So substitute ON value D. So OB is equal to A by A. So dk by A. So this is cos beta. Okay. So next let us consider that OCN. In OCN, here the angle is gamma. Okay. So now the triangle OCN. So here the angle is gamma. So cos gamma is equal to ON by OC. So substitute ON value D. OC is equal to A by L. Right. So A by L. That is equal to D L by A. So this is cos gamma. Okay. So now find the values of cos alpha, cos beta and the cos gamma. So now we have applied the cosine rule here. So cosine rule is nothing but cos square alpha. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So substitute cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma here. So cos alpha is equal to dh by dl. So cos square gamma is equal to d square h square by a square plus d square k square by a square plus d square l square by a square is equal to 1. So here the common terms of d square by a square. Take it as outside. So remaining as h square plus k square plus l square is equal to 1. So here we have to calculate only d. Okay. So d square is equal to a square by h square plus k square plus l square. So d is equal to a by square root of h square plus k square plus l square. Okay. So this is the d spacing of cubic structure. So interplanar spacing of cubic structure. So d is equal to a by